You're still watching Pilipinas Got Talent Performance Night at ang ating last performer ngayong Week 5, ibang klase ang ginawang impact noong kanyang audition.
Mag-trending ka ba naman sa social networking sites? At alam nyo ba na almost 90 ang Facebook fan pages
90?
niya? Hindi lang isa ha, 90. At isang fan page ay umabot na sa 23,000 supporters. That's what I call impact.
Unique name and an impressive talent. Balikan natin ang kwento ng tinatawag na Bruno Mars ng PJT, Bildex Pagalias. Watch this.
First time na si Digos na may kilala po. Kasi yung iba walang lakas loob na mapakita ng talento nila eh. Siguro nahihiya rin sila. Yung mga natutunan ko po una, yung self-confidence po. Kasi noon, hindi po ako sumasali ng mga competitions kagaya nito. Kaba at saka excitement. Kasi first experience ko po yun. Sa musika ko po, pinapadama yung sakit na naman ko, yung kaligayahan ko. Kumukuha ako ng lakas ng loob sa Panginoon at saka sa mama ko po. Thank you po kay God. Kasi kung di dahil sa Kanya, wala akong ganitong talent.
Siya na ang inaabahan ng buong Digos City kung saan. Eto, may nakaset up ang projector para lang mapanood siya. Parang boxing.
Wow! At inaabangan din ng mga Bildexters, Bildexians, at kung ano-ano pang mga binibuild na pangalan ng mga fans niya.
Ang batang gustong maging billionaire na hindi malayo marating dahil sa kanyang bit-bit na talent.
That's right. Please give it up for a 16-year-old musician all the way from Digos City, Davao del Sur,
Bildex!
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something don't you do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it the dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Rolling on the Silver Chapel, on the boulevard we can go. No one would know. Oh, come on, girl. Oh, yes, if a trash got a pocket full of cash, we can blow. No one would know. It's fun, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like you're ready. This is a beautiful night. We're looking for something don't you do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it the dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Just say I do. Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby, baby. Oh, it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something don't to do. Yes, baby. I think I wanna marry you.
Bildex!
And the ladies go wild, bro!
Bildex!
Lapit tayo dito konti. Ayan, yan. Parang naman hindi nakaharang yan. Yan.
Alam mo, Bildex, eto, may sinabi ka na merong isang bagay na hindi mo sinasadya na mangyari yon. Ano yun?
Sa tuwing may nag-cheer po, habang kumakanta ako, di ko po naiiwasang mapasayaw.
Oh, ano masama naman doon kung pwede mong
Correct.
sumayaw at saka kumanta?
Enjoy. Ini-enjoy niya yung talent, di ba?
Ito at ang balita namin sa isang fan page mo sa Facebook na umabot ng halos 23,000 and counting. Munti ka na mabura o nabura. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa mga sumusuporta sa'yo? At sa buong Digos na talagang naka-projector pa para sa'yo?
About yun sa fan page ko po, sa lahat ng Bildexters po. Hello,
Wow.
Bildexters!
Lakas!
Yun, oh.
Ah,
Malakas ka!
kahit nabura po yung page natin, okay lang po. Salamat po sa suporta niyong binibigay ng suporta. At tsaka sa mga taga-Digos, hello Digos! I'm proud to be a Digosenios.
Thank you
you.
very much.
Judges?
Nakapunta na ako sa Digos, nakita ko kung saan ka nakatira, na-meet ko yung mom mo. Ako talaga, ang puso ko na sa'yo kasi nakikita ko how much you love your mom. And alam ko na ang success mo makakaahon sa buong pamilya ninyo. So pinagdadasal talaga kita. You did a good job, Bildex.
Thank you po.
Bildex, habang pinapanood kita, hindi nawawala ang ngiti ko. Napaka-refreshing ng act mo. At ang cute-cute mo at lahat ng mga babae, nakukitang sa'yo.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Sir FMG?
In PGT1, ang tinitilian ng tao at saka meron ng pages, web pages, was
Jovin.
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 Oo. Mukhang ikaw ang napipili ng tao. No?
Thank you po. Thank you po.
So I hope you make it to the finals. Good luck.
So, ang Digos dapat bumoto ng bonggang-bongga, di ba? Pero, promise mo lang kung gaano ka-humble ka at simple nung pinuntahan kita sa Digos, kahit gaano kasikat ka na, sana you stay that humble kasi yun yung appeal mo.
Thank you po. Promise po.
Wise words to remember. Thank you very much, judges. Mga kapamilya, kung gusto nyo makapasok si Bildex sa Grand Finals, remember PGT Space Bildex. That's PGT Space BUILDEX. Bildex, maraming salamat sa iyo, bro.
And on that note, we would like to call on our other 5 semifinalists to join us here on stage. And let me put this away.
Billy Boy, your take for tonight's performance night?
Ako, it's gonna be a very hard decision to all the people na mag-vote para sa kanila. And I think sa kanila, there's favorites. And ako, I have mine, pero it's all up to the judges and sa lahat ng mga kapamilya natin dyan.
Kaya
Judges.
This group has been the best. Honestly.
Wow.
We had the best selection, iba-iba. And lahat talaga, from their first performance to now, lahat nag-level up. At Kenny, ang masunurin mo, tinanggal mo talaga bangs mo.
Biglang inayos. No?
Alam mo na. Oh. Friendship.
So far, ito, pahirap ng pahirap. Ika-fifth week na natin to. At talagang 5 beses din kaming mahihirapan bukas, tingin namin. Pero lahat kayo ay magagaling and good luck tomorrow.
Sir FMG?
I agree with the two ladies again. I have to agree most of the time because this batch is the best so far in Filipinas Got Talent Year 2.
Maraming
Thank you,
salamat, judges.
And Billy Boy, quick
Yeah.
reminder natin. Please guys, vote wisely. Huwag
That's
lang
right.
puro makikwento, makibalita.
That's
Please
right.
vote para sa inyong paboritong contestant.
Wisely and honestly,
Yes.
diba? And congratulations in advance to everyone that's here on stage right now. Matindi talaga ang labanan this week for the 9th and 10th slot sa ating Grand Finals.
At eto pang isang matindi, watch out for the Grand Finals of OPM at PAGCOR nationwide search for the total OPM performer to be held here sa PAGCOR Grand Theater Airport Casino Filipino on June 10, 8 p.m.
Yes, at kung sino man na gustong mabilib muli sa magiging performance ng ating 5th batch ng mga semifinalists, please watch this.
Jacqueline Schubert.
Cariñoso Boys!
Kenny Padalia.
It's hard. Hard to get know. Who knows what miracle can achieve?
Ariano, Urban Duo. DJ P Trio. Bildex Mag naghihintay. Kaya naman ipaglaban ang paborito niyong semi-finalist.
Itodo na ang suporta. Siguraduhin makakapasok sila sa Grand Finals. At mangyayari lang yan if you vote, vote, vote.
Napaka-unpredictable ng labanan kaya huwag ipaubaya sa iba ang kanilang kapalaran. Kaya para bumoto para sa paborito niyong semi-finalist ngayong linggo, ito ang dapat niyong tandaan.
PGT Space, Jacqueline for Jacqueline Schubert.
PGT Space Cariñoso for Cariñoso Boys.
PGT Space Kenny for Kenny Padilla.
PGT Space Ariana for Ariana of the Bourbon Duo. PGT Space DJP for DJP Trio.
PGT Space Buildex for Buildex Pagales.
Send to 2331 for Globe TM and Sun Cellular subscribers. And 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers.
For more information on how to vote in bulk, text PGT Space Bulk to 2366 for all networks.
For online and international voting, just log on to filipinasgottalent.abs-cbn.com.
Para naman sa mga nasa UAE, text PGT Space Name of Contestant and send to 4200 for Etisalat subscribers. Pwede rin gumamit ng vote cards at ePIN sa Load Extreme and Load Central retailers nationwide.
Show the world your support by voting for your favorite contestant. Dito lang sa nag-iisang nationwide talent reality show ng bansa. This is
Filipinas Got Talent. At syempre, kasama rin natin ngayong gabi ang mag-perform, mga OPM performers na mangyayari dito sa
Hello.
Blackboard Grand Theater. Good evening and welcome sa Filipinas Got Talent. Good evening. Okay, nakita niyo all 6 semi-finalists have already performed and that means voting lines are now officially open. Text PGT Space Name of Contestant and send to 2331 for Globe TM and Sun Cellular or 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers.
And to vote in bulk or maramihang boto, text PGT Space Bulk to 2366 for all networks. For online and international voting, just log on to filipinasgottalent.abs-cbn.com.
Para naman sa mga nasa UAE, text PGT Space Name of Contestant and send to 4200 for Etisalat subscribers at pwede rin kayong gumamit ng ABS-CBN vote cards for online voting. Pwede mo bilhin ng vote cards at e-pins sa Load Extreme and Load Central retailers nationwide.
And for Zane Friendly subscribers in KSA, just text PGT Space Name of Contestant and send to 058-1582-583.
Again, reminder, kapamilya, kayo magde-decide kung sino sa anim ang automatic na papasok sa Grand Finals. Yan ay kung magta-top sila sa online and text voting.
At ang magiging second and third place naman ay dadaan sa judges vote. Lahat ng yan mangyayari bukas sa results night. Live na live dito pa rin yan sa Pagcor Grand Theater.
To our semi-finalists, to our judges, and our live audience, thank you very much. Have a good night.
We will see you tomorrow for the results night at sabay-sabay natin kilalanin ang dalawang pangalan na mga kasama sa ating Grand Finals. Kaya ilabas ang talento.
At daigin ang mundo, Noipi, show the world what you've got. This is Filipinas Got Talent.
Good night, everyone!
Happy birthday, Shasha!